That's it.
Huh?
The thumb. Something. Hold on. So you already got 1 minute so far, so you're gonna do 3 minutes. It's still got pretty good control right there. Yeah, that roll was good. Work that roll again. Oh yeah, pretty cool, dude. Settle it, go back up, settle it, and then do the roll. Settle it, get it back under control, and then go for the roll. Okay, right? You're not timing it right. You're not timing it right. Time it. You got to do that negative right. There you go, right there. Some fourth flight. All right, flip now. All right, you got to quit.
That was cool. Yeah, finally get some side.
You got to fly.
With the 450.
You got to do some fourth fly. Fly it and go into your flip and go into your roll while you're not going around. Just sport flying.
Sounds good.
On the next flight.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Keep it up. Ooh-wee, that baby was on it.